First thing you want to do is log into your Google Chrome profile. Then you'll proceed into your profile picture up here and click on the three dots. From the three dots, you want to move down to extensions and visit the Chrome Web Store. Now in the Chrome Web Store, you'll find the extension that will help you perform this. Now you're just going to search here Google Auto Admit. So you're just going to type Auto Admit, and then you can also go with the first option. You can explore other options, but this is the one that I've been using. Now once you open that, you'll get the option to add to Chrome. Now because mine is already installed, you see the option to remove from Chrome. Now let's go and create a test Google Meet session so that we see how this works. Now I'm just going to type here meet.google.com, and then I'll click on new and create an instant meeting. Start an instant meeting. Now I'll share this meeting with I'll just copy the meeting link and share it. I'm just going to open a different profile from here, my own personal profile, and try sharing this link with them. So I'll come here and paste this link here to assume that I'm a new person trying to join this link. Now I'll just ignore this and then I'll ask to join. Now when I tap on ask to join, I'll go back to the other profile and see that there is a person trying to join here. As you can see on my screen, there is this person trying to get admitted into meeting. Now sometime when you have too many guests, you may not be able to see all of this, and it is usually hidden after some time. And if you don't have a co-host, you may end up missing up on so many people joining your meeting, or even complaining in your inbox about not being able to join the meeting. Now if you, after the installation, you notice that we have this icon here. You can always pin your extension by going to the extension icon and ensuring it is turned blue by pinning it so it appears on your taskbar. Now if I tap this here to activate it, you notice that the person who wants to join the meeting will be automatically admitted, so I don't have to do it manually. So just tap that, and then we can just wait a little bit, and you notice that the person will automatically be accepted into the meeting. Let's just tap like this view option, and then you'll notice that they have been automatically admitted. I've not tapped on the admit button because it is automated. Now if I go and try and create a different, maybe open a completely different profile and copy and paste the same link, I want you now to notice what's happening. So if I paste the link here and do that, and then just continue without that and ask to join, you'll notice that on the other end it will be automatic. So let's go. So you notice I have been automatically admitted into the meeting without the person has been automatically admitted into the meeting without me having to go and open that manually. So that's how you automatically admit people into your Google Meet sessions and not miss out on people attending special or important meetings. Now if you like this video, give it a thumb up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't also remember to watch the complete Google Meet tutorial that it will be shared in the link above. Till next time, bye.